Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Before we begin, let me introduce myself. My name is Ana Nur Aziza. You can call me Ana. I'm the student of Islamic Education Department of UIN Malang.
And topic my presentation, I will focus on three issues. First, I will explaining about the of Islamic religious education. Second, explain about religious education in the family and role of the family in education. And third, explain about step to instill Islamic religious education. Okay, start to first, understanding of Islamic religious education. Religious education is a very important factor in saving children, adolescents, or adults from the bad influence of foreign culture that are contrary to Islamic culture, which currently affect the Indonesian nation, especially the younger generation. Religious education is an effort to provide guidance and care to students so that one day they can practice their religious teaching. So in religious education, what is more important is the formation of the child's personality, which is to instill good character so that students have good qualities and have a mind personality. And the importance of religious education in the family and the role of the family in education. Religious education in the family. Family occupies the most important position among social institutions that have a concern for children's education. Usually, religious values are instilled in the family to shape children's behavior. Therefore, religious education in the family is very necessary to know the boundaries of good and bad in everyday life. It is hoped that religious education will encourage every human being to do something with his conscience. Role the family in education. Etymologically, the role of the family in the growth of children is like a strong armor that protects humans. In terminology, family means a group of people who first interact with the baby. As for the role of the family is the first and foremost educational institution because it is in the family that humans are born, develop, and become adult. Like the first school, a child enters as a center to develop habit or character, seek knowledge and experience. An intermediary to build perfection the intellect of the child and his parents who are responsible for directing and building and developing the child's intelligence to think. And third, step to instill Islamic religious education. There are three important things that must be strictly and consistently taught to students, namely 1. Education of right to produce a future generation of young people who are strong in impact and avoid act or action that mislead teenagers such as the radical Islamic movement, drug trafficking, wars, and free association, which are very worrying lately. 2. Worship education. To be taught to children to build a young generation who is committed and accustomed to performing worship, such as praying, fasting, reading the Quran. And 3. Moral education. To give birth to a Rabbani generation or a generation that is pure, intelligent, and noble. Therefore, the role of parent and educator both within the school and outside the school is needed.
Conclusion: Islamic religious education functions in the family and society to form people who believe in and devote to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala in order to create a good life in the family and society. As a moral and moral education system in the framework of developing Indonesian people as a whole and Indonesian society as a whole. Do you have any question? Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.